About their things, about their lives.
Hi, everybody. My name is Tiago Cardoso. Welcome to our webinar today, a webinar where I'm gonna explain you a little bit more about IX Social, what it is, what are the biggest advantages of using this amazing app, and who are the best strategy providers that we have on our app, and you as clients, as users of the app can actually copy them and make money while you are doing other stuff that you enjoy doing. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how the app works. I'm going to walk you through the app. I'm going to obviously show you what are the biggest advantages and the biggest points or the biggest features that you can use within the app. And for that, what I ask you guys is for please to download the app now so I can create some engagement with you within the app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a group with you guys to show you how you can share your trades with each other. How can you engage with each other? So please download the app now. I'm actually going to show you how you can download the app. So you just need to go on your app store or on your Android store if you have an Android. So you just need to go to the Play Store, and you just need to type IX Social, and you can download the app. So I'm going to show you my screen so I can show you also my mobile phone. Give me just 1 second. Okay. So to download the app is really easy. So you just need to go to your app store. In this case, if you have obviously an Android, an iPhone. If you have an Android, you have to go to the Play Store. So on the App Store, you just need to go to the search, and you need to search for IX Social. Okay. So this is the first step that I want you all to do. Find IX Social, download the app, install the app, and I will see you on the app, and I will create a group just for us, just so we can understand how the app is working. Okay, guys. So please do that while we allow more people to join our webinar tonight. So please do it. Please download the app. Again, if you have an Android, you just need to do exactly the same, but just go to the Play Store instead of the App Store. I see a lot of people still joining in. Also, guys, if you have any question, just put your hand up, and I will pass you the you can either talk if you want, or you can just put the questions on the Q&A, and I will be looking at the Q&A. So if you guys, I think you guys have like a Q&A button there. So if you have any question, please write it on the Q&A, and I will be answering that question here. Right, guys. So I hope everyone is downloading the app right now. So if you don't, please do it now. Please download the app. So just go on your app stores or on your Play Store, type IX Social, and download the app, please. So we can continue. Okay, I see some of you guys are downloading the app. Amazing. All right. Okay. All right. So what are the biggest features of IX Social? Usually when we are trading on the markets, we face two big issues. Those two big issues are exactly, I have no time to trade, which is normal. We all do something else. We all have our jobs. We all have we all have other stuff to do. So not everyone has obviously the time to be on the desktop or on the mobile phone trading every single minute. The other big objection that and problem that we usually have is the lack of knowledge. So not all of us have actually the knowledge to trade ourselves. So we need to practice. We need to be on demo accounts. We need to practice a lot until we actually have the knowledge to start investing our own money. There is one thing that I learned through the years is that being a trader, it's something really weird. Because let's say you guys want to be a lawyer. In order for you to be a lawyer, you have to study like 5 years, right? And then you have to practice until you are actually a lawyer. It's the same thing when you want to be like a doctor, for example. You have to study like 10 years, then you have to practice a lot of time on like for free without even getting paid. But to be a trader, you just need to download an MT4. You need to open an account, fund your account, and there you go. You are a trader. So saying that I am a trader, it's something that I don't see it being like a true profession, because it requires training. But in the end, it's the only profession where we instead of studying for years and years, we just need to basically open an account with a broker. So what happens is that at some point everyone ends up losing a lot of money, because again there was no study behind, like we do when we want to be a lawyer or when we want to be a doctor. This is why we created IX Social. We created IX Social exactly for people not to commit the same mistakes that they have done in the past, of trading without having the knowledge, trading without having the time to actually understand what to do, how the market is, where are the opportunities. So IX Social comes to help these kind of people, help you guys, because not all of you have time, not all of you have the knowledge. Now you have an app where you can just open an account, link it on the app, and connect yourself to the best traders out there. So what we want to do with IX Social is to empower people that usually don't have access to sophisticated financial products like the ones we offered on IX Social, but want to risk some money in the market, want to have skin in the game, wants to actually have the opportunity to invest with some experienced traders. With Ag Social, you can now invest your money with expert traders, with people that have been trading for a long time, that do this every single day. And again, people who don't present ourselves with these two big issues, which is no knowledge, no time. Even if you have these two issues, that's fine, because you are going to have the opportunity to copy people who don't have these two issues, because they are professional traders, they are hedge fund managers, they are money managers. So their job every single day is to actually be a trader, because they have trained and studied a lot of years for that. Okay. So what I want you guys to do is, after you download the app, you just need to create your profile. Okay. So when you arrive here, the first time here, create your profile now. The only thing you need to do is you just need to click here on first time, create it here. You are going to create your profile. You're going to click on agree and continue. You're going to put your name. Actually, guys, let me just change my language here, just so you guys can understand. Because I'm Portuguese, so my mobile phone is in Portuguese. Okay, right. So these, whenever you, so the app is automatically translated to the language set on your mobile phone. So if your Android or your iPhone is in English, then your iX social platform is automatically going to be in English. So let's say that I want to create my profile. It's the first time I'm using iX social, so I want to create my profile. So first time here, create your profile now. So I'm going to create my profile. You're going to put title. I'm going to put Tiago Cardoso. I'm going to put just a normal email address, ixsocial@infinox.com. Date of birth, I can just choose the one that is here, which is fine. Phone number, I'm going to put the phone number. Okay, now what happened is that, okay, I have to choose the title. Beginner, so I'll have to select one option of each section. So I have to state what is my trading experience. So I'm going to say that I'm an expert. The markets I trade is Forex, indices, and crypto. Trade duration, so I'm a scalper, so I trade for the short term. And my goal is to copy expert traders. I'm going to click on next. And what happens is that I have already registered my mobile. That's why it says existing account. But whenever you click here, you will be asked to go to ask to link a real account, a live account that you have already with Infinox. If you don't have, that's fine. You can still use the app. It has like a guest. But in order to copy the traders, in order to copy the strategies that we have, you need to link a live account, which you can open, and tomorrow you'll be contacted for sure. So you can open your account. You can open your account after this webinar or during the next few days. Okay, so you have the option to do that whenever you want. So what I'm going to do is, I already created my profile. Wait a second. Let me just connect my mobile phone here. I'm sorry. So I'm going to go back just so you guys can, so I can log in just like you do. So when I want to log in, my account is created. Now I need to click on login. I'm going to be asked to insert a login, which I received by SMS. So I'm going to say yes. I'm going to click on confirm. And here I am. I am on the app right now. Okay. So now what I see is the strategies. So I have access to the most recent strategies, the IX featured, and I can also check the users, the normal users, the people like you guys that have their account linked, they are trading themselves. So I can see the best traders of the day, the best Infinox clients of the day, the best Infinox clients of the week, the best Infinox clients of the month, and also the best Infinox clients since ever. Okay. Now, one thing important here is to realize that who are strategy providers and who are users, who are normal clients, normal Infinox clients. When you see a blue label on the left of the name, you will see that this is a strategy provider. Okay. As you can see, Signa Capital is not a strategy provider. That's why he doesn't have a blue label. So if I click on Signa Capital, I see that he has his returns. He has 35 followers, which is actually good. And if you guys want, you can follow this trader. So every time he trades, you will see his trades on your feeds. But you cannot automatically copy this user because he's not a strategy provider. In order to be a strategy provider, these strategies, and let me, like, for example, look at Moneymaker Robot, these strategy providers have to be verified by the IX social team. So they sign up to be a strategy provider, and we will check their trade records, we will check their performances, we will make sure that we try to onboard only the best strategy providers. Not everyone can have access to be a strategy provider. So we are trying to create a safe environment for you guys to copy the best strategy providers out there. Obviously, past returns does not mean future performances. Okay, so of course, this strategy provider in particular has had an amazing track record since last November, 274% of return, which is amazing in just 6 months. But doesn't mean that he's going to have this same performance in the next 6 months. Okay, so you must understand also that in order to understand that financial products have also risks. But because he's a strategy provider, what I can do is I can copy him. Now you see that there is a button to copy. So whenever I click on this button, I now have the chance to copy his strategy automatically. Okay. But before that, I can analyze his profile, I can analyze his statistics, his performances, and make the decision if I really want to move forward into copy him. So let's look, for example, at Moneymaker Robot. I can see he has his cumulative return is increasing, which is good. So it's very consistent. Total return is 274%, which is very good. Max drawdown 60%, a little bit high risk, but again, high returns have to imply high risk as usual. The realized P&L so far is almost $6,000, meaning that he probably started with like $2,000. So if you guys have started trading with him with $2,000, you would have made already around $5,800. So a very nice profit, very interesting profit that you guys could have. And again, it's a trader that has been showing a very good performance. So probably in the future, these returns are going to stay in line with these. He also trades a lot. So if you see, he traded in the past 12 months, which remember that he only started in November. So technically, in the last 6 months, he traded 15,000 trades. It's crazy, a lot of trades. So those are professional traders. Those are actually, this one is a strategy, an expert advisor developer. So he basically develops robots. That's why the name says Moneymaker Robot. The minimum trades that he have been made in a month is 556, and the maximum per month that he had done is 5,200. Crazy again. So it's a high frequency trading, and it's very interesting to see you guys start copying one of these strategies, and you'll see like your account all trades going up and down, up and down. But again, it's algorithm trading, it's robots trading on your behalf, which is great. And it's up to you to decide what is the risk you want to take. You can decide how you want to copy them. You can decide if you want to take more risk, less risk. You can decide how much money you want to you are you afford you want to afford to lose with the strategy provider. So going down, scrolling down, I can see the markets that he trades. So 52% of the trades are Euro USD. Then he also trades a little bit of GBP USD and GBP yen. But basically, more than half of the trades is $0. So we know that the costs, your trading costs, are going to be very limited because $0 is a very cheap pair to trade. So you're going to trade a lot. You're going to pay. You're not going to pay a lot, but you're gonna have quite an interesting, probably quite an interesting return. He also has a bio that says 10-year experience in forex markets. Now working with future robots. Minimum deposits he suggests $1,900. Withdraw every weekend. The profits. Very powerful robots and some monthly targets. Right. So this is his bio. He said this is this is the way he wants to present himself. But again, you can choose whoever you want to copy. So in this case, this is a very popular strategy provider that we have. 57 copiers so far. We can look also at Double Hedge, very popular trader too. 227 traders copying this strategy provider. Algo Trade Robotics, same thing. 106 people copying this strategy provider. I mean, there are a lot of interesting, very, very interesting strategies here. The opportunities are endless, guys, endless, because the strategies here are really amazing. I cannot suggest, I cannot recommend, but I can point out some of the strategies that have been more popular amongst our clients. Obviously, Double Hedge is one of the most popular, also because of all the return that was accumulated. Moneymaker Robot is also very, very popular. Autos Beat is also a new strategy. It has been trading a lot with us, but just started, actually has a strategy provided a few days ago. Very, very interesting strategy too. Just started, I think, this week or last week, and already has 5 copiers. What else? Archimedes Fund, also very, very interesting. It's a very recent one, but look at the consistency of the profits. Drawdown very low, so low risk strategy. What else we have here? Shirodax, very, very interesting strategy too. Still loading, but it's a very interesting strategy that is just based on the German index. There are new ones that were added. Trading Top is an interesting one. Forex Art is also an interesting one. Advanced Bot, if you guys have smaller accounts like $200, $100, you can copy this strategy. Let me just restart again. So just so you guys can understand how to download it again, because I see a lot of questions here on how to download the app. So you just need to go to your app store. You search for Ike Social, and you are able to download the app directly here. So please, guys, do that, because I wanted to create a group with you guys so you can join it. So opening the strategies again, I was talking about this one. So if you have smaller accounts, this strategy is designed for smaller accounts because it's a strategy that is fit for $100 accounts, $150, $200. So if you guys want to start, I suggest starting, for example, with this strategy, because it is really designed for smaller accounts. But again, a lot of amazing strategies that we have here, and the opportunities are endless because, guys, you control all your account. You can control how many strategies you want to copy. You can control the way you want to copy. You can control how much money you want to risk. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simulate copying a strategy. So let's copy Autos Beat, the one I told you. I'm gonna click on copy, and now I'm able to choose how I want to copy each strategy. So when I click on the trade size, I'll be asked if I want to copy using a fixed size. This means that all trades are going to be fixed to one size, meaning that whatever is the size the strategy provider trades, I will always trade 0.01 or 0.02 or 0.03, whatever I want. If I choose mirror master size, means that I will be copying the signal trade size regardless of my account size. So this means that if the strategy provider opens 2 lots, I'm always going to open 2 lots. Okay, this is a little bit more risky. I don't recommend you guys, if you want to start now, and if you want to understand how the app works, don't do that. Okay, don't. This is a little bit risky. This is for bigger accounts that have a higher equity. So don't do that. The most popular way to copy is actually using this third option, which is to mirror the master risk. So this means that I will have my trade size is going to be adjusted relative to my account size. This means that if the strategy provider has $1,000 and opens 1 lot, if I have $100, I will open 0.10. So it's going to be proportional. It's going to be a 1-to-1 proportion. Now, what I can do is to set a different proportion. And setting a different proportion and lowering the proportion is going to lower my risk. So I'm going to open smaller positions. Okay. If I want to risk more, I'm going to risk. I can risk up to 10 times more. Okay. I can risk. The usual is to risk the same risk management. So I'm going to use the same proportion, but I can use 10 times less or 10 times more. Okay. So you guys have the flexibility to decide the type of risk you want to take from a strategy provider. Okay. So let's choose to copy this strategy with a 1-to-1 proportion. Now I have 2 other options. I can either round up to minimum trade size or not, which is automatically set as yes. This means that, let's say, for example, my account is I have $100. Strategy provider has 1,000. If he opens 0.01, I would have to open 0.0001, but that's not possible because the minimum trade size is 0.01. So with this option enabled, this means that my trade is always going to be rounded up to the minimum possible trade size. So I would have opened 0.01 lots. Okay. I also have the option to copy existing trades. Actually, guys, let me check. So this strategy does not have open trades. So let me check one that does. 1 second. Let me check one. But I want to show you how the copy trading works. This one doesn't. Let's see this one. I don't think so. Okay, this one has 1 second. Algo Trader probably has. Sorry, my internet is not really good. My Wi-Fi is not, says it's on top, but it's actually not very good. So allow me just to restart the app again. Okay, I want to show you a cool feature that we have, which is to open the existing trades. So let's check Algo Trader. Okay, so this is my test platform that I have connected. So let's copy Algo Trader. Okay, copy Algo Trader. I'm going to copy with the same risk management, and I'm going to copy the existing trades because I know he has open trades, or probably he does. So I'm going to click on copy, and since this moment on, I will be copying this trader. And I'm going to also copy the existing trades that he already has, but at the current market price. Okay, so let's go. Let's do this. and let's see the positions opening in my account. It will take some seconds. Okay, it will take a few seconds because the system has to process these trades to be open in my account. And now what I have is your application is to auto copy algo trader is complete. It may take a few minutes while your account is enabled. You can manage your risk by tapping the max drawdown option. So now if I click on max drawdown, I'm going to be taken to a screen where I can set my own risk. So I can decide what is the risk I want to take on my accounts. So you have three ways to do it. You can either you can set three different risk levels. First one is 25% for the warning level. This is an amount that I set myself, guys. You can set it yourself. So you can set 10. You can set on this one 20, for example, and on this one you can set, for example, 30. Right? So the warning level means the level where I'm going to have a notification. So let's say my account has $1,000. If my account has $1,000, if I lose $100, which is 10%, I'll get a notification. Guys, look at this. Look at all the trades getting in. You see how crazy it was? So automatically I got all these trades in my account because those were the open trades that the strategy provider had. Took 1 minute or so, but now these trades are now working. So let's see how these trades go. And I'm in the game, I'm on it, so that my account is now being automatically copied. Okay. Now I'm losing, but it's just the spread, so it's normal because it was quite a lot of trades coming in. Look at this, amazing, quite a lot of trades. So this is the warning level. The warning level, it's the level where I want to be warned about the drawdown. So if I have $1,000, if I'm losing $100, I will get a notification. Then you have the soft stop level. The soft stop level will suspend all your copies once your account hits this drawdown. So if I have $1,000 account, if I'm losing $200, I will have all my copies suspended. Okay. Then I have the most important one, which is the hard stop level. In this case, I put it at 30%. You can put at 80, 50, 100, whatever you want. If in this case, I'm losing 30% of my $1,000, all my trades are going to be closed and all my copies are going to be suspended. This is for my protection in order to set a hard stop on my account to guarantee that you guys are not going to lose more than you want. You don't want to lose more than 30, 40, 50%, whatever. You have a line of defense to do that. Okay. So you have full protection here. It's an amazing way to not only choose the way you want to copy, but also choose the way you want to risk. Also, what you guys can do is you can copy different strategies. You have full flexibility for that, and also you can decide to close your own positions. So let's say, for example, I copied this strategy, which is Algo Trader, and now I realized that, okay, so I think euro dollar is going up. So here it is, euro dollar. As you can see, a lot of trades were opened. But I think euro dollar is going down. So what I can do is I can close all the buy positions myself and just let the sell positions run. Okay. So I have full flexibility on my account. Even if the strategy copies their signals into my account, I can decide either if I want to keep them or not. I can decide them if I want to close those positions myself. It's my account, my rules, as they said. So I have full flexibility to decide whatever I want to do, if I want to keep those trades on, if I want to close them, if I want to put a stop loss, whatever I want to do. Okay, so you guys have full flexibility for that. So moving on, now you know how to copy a strategy. Now you know how to set your own risk on the strategy. Let's look at the activity tab. Okay, the activity tab works like any other social media. So works like Instagram, like Facebook, where you have your feeds and you can scroll down and you will see all the trades that your followers, or in this case, the people that you are following, are placing. In this case, because I'm not following anyone, I only see my own trades. Okay. But let's say that, okay, let's imagine that where it says you, which is me, it's another person. As you can see, I have a conversation bubble, I have a share button, and I have a thumbs up. So thumbs up, it's a like button. So I can click here and I can put a like, just like this. Okay. I can also put a comment and say, for example, closed the buy order. I believe Euro USD is going down. Okay. And I can comment. And now you guys can come to these trades and engage with me and discuss this trade with me and debate this trade with me. So you can actually learn from the people that you are copying. Let's say, for example, I want to go here to, let's go to Moneymaker Robots, and let's see which trades he has opened. So for example, he has the GBP JPY open. So let's comment and ask him, GBP is actually very strong. Recent data points GBP up. Until when are you going to hold this position? So I can comment on this trade. I can comment. I can discuss these trades from the traders that I decide to copy, and engage with them and discuss with them and trying to understand what was the reason behind the trades. So we can all learn, we can all discuss, we can all win in the end. Even if we lose, we are winning. We are accumulating experience. We are understanding where the mistakes come from. So it's a great way to also learn, and it's a great way for these strategy providers to engage with us. Okay, it doesn't have to be. Nothing has to be hidden. We can all be in this together and discussing the trades together. In the end, we are all here to learn. Okay, and the strategy providers are also here to teach us. So this is my feed. So just like a social media, I can see all the trades that the people that I follow are placing, and I can also create my groups. So for example, let's create a group called Webinar 21st April. Okay, so this is our webinar. The group type is going to be full engagement, and let's create it. Okay, so here we go. Let's create this webinar. Now, this is why, guys, this is why I asked you all to download the app. So what I want you to do is I want you to join this webinar. So it's like a trading community that we are going to create with each other. Okay, so please go. Now that you have downloaded the app, you have created your profile, go to the search tab and search for webinar. Okay, and you will see, if you go down, because I have created these, I always create this. So go to webinar 21st April. Okay, it's cool. I see a lot of you guys have already are already joining the group. So I will say, hello guys, welcome to the group. Where are you guys from? So please just put the flag of the country you are from. So I'm going to put the flag of Portugal, which is where I am from. So reply, guys, so we can. I see a lot of you are already joining the group, which is great. So please join the group and please reply to my message, because what I'm going to do now, is I'm going to share some trades with you. And this is really, it's a really cool feature. Okay, so a lot of people from Nigeria, cool, okay. Botswana too. All right, Botswana. A lot of people from, actually, we have a big group from Botswana. If you guys from Botswana want to be there, so it's called Botswana Traders. So if you click on Botswana, you'll see it's actually a very big group. 178 people from Botswana are here. So feel free to join if you want. But please let's join the webinar. So search for webinar and scroll down, and you'll see the 21st webinar. Here you go, more people joining, cool. So you guys can create groups with your friends. You can create training communities. If you have like big Telegram groups, you can move them here to this app, and you can share trades directly here. Let's say, for example, that I want to trade. So I said that I believe euro dollar is going down. So let's say I'm going to post a trade, which is going to be euro dollar. All right, sorry guys. Let me start again. So webinar 21st. Okay. So let me post the trade here. So I'm going to trade euro USD, majors, euro dollar. Okay, and I'm going to sell euro dollar. So I'm going to click on sell. And now I'm going to short 0.01. Okay, just as a test. Actually, I'm going to do it to 0.03. So whenever because this on the back, this account is the account I have linked on the app. Whenever I click on this button trade, I will open a short position on euro dollar. Actually, guys, let me do another pair just so it's a different pair. So I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell 0.03. So I'm going to click on trades, and you will see automatically the trade here. Look, there you go. See, as fast as that. What I can do now is I'm going to click on OK. I have opened the trade, and now the trade is shared on the group. Okay, so now you guys can copy my trade if you want. You can comment my trades. Right? You can come to this comment bubble and say, for example, this is the comment I'm gonna. This is an explanation I'm gonna put on this group on this trade. So I'm gonna say GBP is very weak. I believe USD is going up. Therefore, GBP USD going down. I don't, it's just a plain explanation. And you guys can also comment on these trades. So you guys can also come here and comment. You guys can just say, yeah, terrible trade. I hate that trade. Or whatever, or cool, I'm also going to copy the trades. I can also share the trades. So I can click here and I can share with in different groups, in different platforms, in wherever I want. So you can share these trades directly from the app to other platforms that you have. Okay, so pretty cool feature. You now can actually create a training community with your friends, which is amazing. Okay, so it's a big feature that will increase the user experience that we have every day. And you can join whatever group you want. You can join a lot of groups. You can search for groups. Let's say, for example, you want to search for Forex. You'll find a lot of groups, a lot of profiles, and a lot of groups, and you can join them all. You can join them all. You can meet people. You can learn about the markets more if you want. But if you prefer, you can just copy traders, and that's it. So the opportunities are endless with this app. It's amazing. You can trade directly on the app. You can come to the positions tab, and you will see exactly the same trades that I have it here. Still loading, but you'll see exactly the same information. You can trade directly from the app. You can trade cryptocurrencies. You can trade gold. You can trade oil. You can trade Forex. You can trade whatever you want. And you can see your profile. So this is my profile. I'm following one user, which is the one that I'm copying. I have 84 followers. Here you can see my profitability, the markets I trade, and these are my achievements. So this is like a gamification feature that we offer on our platform. I can earn achievements by doing some tasks. The tasks are based on profits. So if I trade and make 50 to 100 points profit, I can actually make money. I can not make money. I can make an achievement. And the more achievements I make, the more authority I have within the platform, which is going to be good, and is going to increase my reputation in the app. Let's say I'm a strategy provider. The more achievements I have, the more engaged I am with the app, with all my clients. So if I go down, I can also see the status of the copier, which is enabled. I can see the max drawdown, so I can set my own risk here. I can see who am I copying. In this case, it's algo traders, so I can come to edit copy and stop copying if I want, which I'm going to do. So copy suspended. And you guys can decide to copy as many traders as you want, the way you want. You can trade on your own account, so full flexibility. You are the owners of your account. So let's say now you enjoyed using the app, and now you want to link an account. So you want to open an account, you will click in this button, sign up for an account. You're going to be sent to our website to open your account with us. Let's say you already have an account and you want to link it. You just need to click on link an account, choose the server where you want to connect your account, put your MT4 login and your password, and your account is going to be linked. Also, if you want to deposit money, you can click it directly on top up account, and you will be able to top up your account. Okay, guys? So full flexibility. It's an amazing app, and please, guys, download it, play a little bit with it, and I hope you find it interesting, and I hope you start investing with it and using to start making some profits with our expert traders. Guys, any questions that you have? No? Okay. So guys, thank you very much for your time today. I hope you enjoyed. Any questions? I'm on that group that I just created, so please write on that group. I'm 100% free to help you out in that. Again, just play around with the app, check our traders, check our strategies, the strategy providers that we have there that are amazing. They have been amazing in the last few months. And guys, open an account with us, open an account with Infinox. You can start with as much as you want, and take the chance and start copying our strategies. Okay, guys, thank you very much for your time today. I hope we enjoyed. I hope to see you around in our IX Social app, and I hope I hope to see you around to copy our strategies. Guys, thank you very much again. Have a great day, great night wherever you are, and see you next time.